Subaru. Rust. More rust. More rust. Let's remove the throwout bearing. Start with some lube. Lots of lube. And we'll get this exhaust off. Good thing I'm wearing proper footwear. Oh shit.
Wow.
Anyway, we will get this out of here and probably forget to film the rest of the removal of the transmission. There it is. Lots of fond memories. Next on the agenda, let's feed this pilot bearing some delicious bread because it is ever so hungry. Just a bit of tap tap and some bread and some more tap and some more bread and more tapping and more breading. More tap. More tap. More bread. One last tap. Much better. And you got yourself a tasty little snack there. I put this in the fridge, but I don't think it really helped much. Just give things a bit of a clean here. Give this a little bit of a wipe, and we'll get this lovely red pressure plate installed on top of my clutch. Here's the problem part. It's a little bit funky, but I believe it's normal. You can see on both of these, the inner part there is a little uncentered. I noticed you can wiggle it side to side. Not sure why this is, but it doesn't seem to be a problem. Here's my sketchy setup for lifting the transmission. Here's the underside. Got it half in place. And we'll slide this drive shaft back in and get everything anti-seized up. Remember to use your anti-seize, kids. Otherwise, I will find you and I will slather anti-seize over all your things. Always use your anti-seize. Anyway, pop that exhaust back in. Then we've got some finishing zip tie touches here. There you go. You'd never know I broke that bolt. More finishing touches. And we're back where we started. A rusty piece of garbage. We'll just steal this battery from my truck. Remove this old, no longer working one. Now, a fun thing about these Subarus, when you connect the battery, it will typically, on these older ones at least, start to flash at you and will not stop. It just flashes. It's great. So the solution to that is turn the key on with the battery disconnected and then reconnect the battery. And that should solve the problem. Hopefully. Did for me, so that's good. Let's see what kind of damage I've done.